Welcome to my channel. Let's understand distance and midpoint formula today and also the section formula. Let's get started. Now before we solve questions, let's have a look at the three formulas that we will be using to solve the questions. Let's have a look at this question. It says that we have to find out distance between the 2 points. The points are A's coordinates are given 1, 2 and another point is B whose coordinates are given 4, 6. So how do we find out the distance AB? So what we should do, first we will write the formula. We know our distance formula is that distance we calculate using the formula under root So we use this formula under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square to calculate the distance between 2 points. So here our points are A and B, which means so A is 1, 2, which means that x1 is 1 and y1 is 2 and B is 4, 6, which means our x2 is 4 and y2 is 6. So we will put the values in the formula and get our answer. So let's do. So we will write AB equals to under root x2 minus x1 the whole square, which means 4 minus 1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, which is 6 minus 2 the whole square. Now if we solve this, we will get 3 square plus 4 square. So 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16, which means we are getting root 25 and root 25 is 5. So the distance between the points A and B is 5 and we write 5 units. So our final answer, that what is the distance between the point A and B, we will write AB. So we will write AB equals to 5 units. And that's our final answer. We will box our final answer. Let's take this question, and it is a question of section formula. Let's see how to solve it. So the question says P divides the line segment joining A and B. So let's understand that what the question says. So there are 2 points, one is A and one is B. A's coordinates are given as 1, minus 6 and B's coordinates are given as 6, 4. So they are saying that P divides the line segment in the ratio 2:3, which means P is a point on AB. Let's say this is the point P and P is dividing AB in which ratio? 2:3. So this is 2 and this is 3. We have to find out the coordinates of P. So we will let the coordinates of P be x, y. So we have to find out what x and y. Now we know that in section formula, what is the formula to calculate? Now the formula is, if you have to calculate the x coordinate, we do it like this, that x equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Now x2, x1, m and n, what are these? Let's understand. So in the previous example we said that A's coordinates were given, now here it is given 1, 6, which means our x1 is 1, y1 is minus 6, our x2 is 6 and y2 is 4, m is 2 and n is 3. So these are the values. You should write the values correctly and then put the value in the formula. You will not go wrong. So you should cross check if you have written all the values correctly. So I'll see that x1 is 1, y1 is -6, x2 is 6, y2 is 4, m is 2 and n is 3. So let's put and let's get our answer. So x is equal to mx2. So m is 2. So 2 into 6 plus nx1, which means 3 into 1 upon m plus n, which is 2 plus 3. Now just solve and you will get the answer. 6 into 2, 12 plus 3 upon 5, which is 15 upon 5. So x coordinate we are getting as 3. 3 times is 15. So x we are getting as 3. And in the same way, we will find out the y coordinate of P. So for y, we will write y equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So m is 2, we will write 2 into 4 plus n. n is 3. So 3 into y1, which is -6. And then upon m plus n, which will be 2 plus 3. So what we will get? 4 into 2, 8 minus 18, because here it is minus, and upon 3 plus 2 is 5. So which is coming -10 upon 5, which will come as -2. So our question was find the coordinates of P. So we have got the x coordinate and y coordinate, and we can just now box it to highlight our final answer. So see, our x coordinate has come as 3 and y coordinate is -2. So this is how we can solve our question, and you can get the coordinates of both x and y. So generally the section formula questions you have to solve in this manner. The formula is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n to get the x coordinate, and to get the y coordinate my2 plus ny1 by m plus n and get the values of y. So very easily you can get the coordinates for x and y, and you can solve all such questions like this, right? Whenever we solve questions, we should label our points correctly, write their values correctly, and also write their signs correctly. We will definitely get our answer correct then. There are 2 practice questions that I have attached here for you to practice. Practice these questions and see if you are getting the correct answer. The answers are pinned in the comment. You can check the answers in the pinned comment. Hope you have found the video useful, and if you found it helpful, please like my video, please share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video.